Shortly after government effected the lockdown to curb the spread of COVID-19, the Minister of Lands quickly responded to the public outcries about rampant land evictions by stopping the execution of same during the lockdown period. However, the evictions went on unhampered. The Minister of Lands, Housing and Urban Development, Betty Kamya, has partially blamed the continuing evictions on the ignorance of the public about their land rights.
Launch a campaign by my ministry to sensitize Ugandans of the available laws and regulations in place to protect bona fide occupants of land from eviction.
The ministry has now released 19 guidelines to be followed before eviction can be effected. These guidelines have been distilled from the various existing laws on land and property ownership. Some of these guidelines include a lawful or bona fide occupant can only be evicted for non-payment of ground rent subject to determination by the courts of law. Evictions have to be effected during the day between 8 and 6 p.m. and strictly on weekdays. Transfer of land by a tenant without the involvement of the registered owner is invalid. Court orders are required before execution of any eviction or demolition. Police must be notified and present at the scene to witness eviction or demolition. Court bailiff have to provide storage facilities for property from an eviction. Persons to be evicted shall be given an opportunity to salvage property. However, the public have in some instances cited cases where law enforcers, including security personnel, have been accomplices in illegal evictions, rendering the provisions of the law redundant. On this, Kamya categorically states that nobody is above the law.
And I am forced to consider asking Cabinet to enact a regulation which holds the enforcement agencies accountable, personally accountable.
The ministry is scheduled to embark on mass sensitization of the public both through the mass media and through village and town hall meetings. Jackson Onyango, NTV.